On modern factory floors, operators are expected to diagnose and resolve production issues in real time. They must also manage an increasing volume of machine data, inspection results, and maintenance records. In this environment, one manufacturer operates automated production lines with inspection systems that continuously monitor product quality. These systems help detect issues as they occur. As more operational data and technical documentation became available across the factory, operators needed a faster and more efficient way to review this information during active shifts. Technicians often had to check multiple systems to diagnose issues, slowing response times and creating inconsistencies across teams. At the same time, cloud reliance introduced latency and data security concerns. The company also faced infrastructure challenges. Existing factory systems were not designed to support GPU-accelerated workloads required for real-time LLM inference. Limited rack space within control cabinets made it difficult to deploy traditional server hardware. Any new solution also needed to operate reliably in a continuous 24/7 production environment without disruption. To address these challenges, the company deployed Premio 1U Edge AI Server for on-prem LLM workloads, the LLM 1U RPL. Designed for edge environments, this compact, short-depth rack mount system fit easily into existing infrastructure without requiring modifications. It is powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core processor. It also supports GPU acceleration through PCIe Gen 4 expansion, enabling fast, localized LLM inference directly on the factory floor. With multiple 2.5 GBE LAN ports and flexible I/O interfaces, the system integrated seamlessly with existing factory networks. It unified machine data, inspection results, and maintenance records into a single interface. Built for industrial reliability, the solution includes hot swappable fans, redundant power supplies, and TPM 2.0 for secure and uninterrupted operation. With the LLM 1U RPL series, operators can type in machine issues, alarm codes, or maintenance-related questions, and receive immediate, context-aware troubleshooting guidance. This allows them to identify production issues faster and respond more consistently across shifts. With support from Premio Los Angeles-based engineering team, the company was also able to streamline deployment and maintain long-term system performance. To learn more about the LLM 1U RPL series, please check the links in the description.